When creating AI art, we want to create pictures that inspire us, and it's only natural that we want to create AI art that looks like it was painted by a real person, because up until now, all the art we've loved has been made by a real person. Good art tells a story. While the topic of a picture is a large part of that story, how an artist paints their artwork can tell us a lot about that story as well. Take these two pictures here for example. They both have the same subject matter, but the differing art style here elicits different emotions in the viewer. An art style we use in a prompt is a creative choice, and in this mini-series I will show you different art style suggestions for your AI pictures. These prompts will help make your pictures look like they were handcrafted by a real person, and I'll show you why they look handcrafted as well. These art prompts will add to the story your picture is telling in order to create a holistic narrative. So let's get started. Here's the first art style video right here. It's one of my personal favorites and one of the best to use to make your AI art pics look like they were made by a real person. The first one, right here.